We all know who MrBeast is. He's a YouTuber that got famous for counting to 100,000.
Make sure you like the video, drop a comment. 99,999. 100,000.
He also said PewDiePie 100,000 times. He gives away tons of money.
We got another teller. There you go, Ty. I want all this money gone.
He even gives away houses.
That's this house. You guys are now neighbors.
So why are we talking about MrBeast? Right now in the Infiniverse, street names that are cool, are a hot topic, and the buildings on those street names are growing fast. Here are a few of my favorites. Entrepreneur Street. Any entrepreneurs in the house? Be a cool place for you. Oculus Building. It's a no-brainer. Vegas Steps, and I heard what happens there stays there. Uranus Way. Uranus Way. The jokes alone are worth purchasing on that property. Another fast-growing building is on Shiba Inu. It's a cryptocurrency. There's street names like Bitcoin, Laura Croft, and here's a list of a bunch of others. See if you can spot one that you would like to be on. There's such a hot topic right now that developers have put in the Discord channel a new channel for street hunters. Inside this channel, the community has put together a document that lists all the cool names and a contact information so you can contact that person and then be guided to that cool street and be able to purchase a property there. I'll leave that doc in the description. And let me know in the comments what your favorite street name is. I have found one in particular that I would like to go viral. It's called Beast Way. Huh? MrBeast? It's like it was made for you. You need to come and join us and buy a spot in the Infiniverse on this property, Beast Way. If MrBeast jumps in, that's 87 million subscribers that could potentially help grow the Infiniverse. And why do I say that it needs to grow? Why does the Infiniverse need publicity? Why do we need to let as many people know what's going on here as we can? People ask, when I make money on these buildings, how do I turn my coins back into real money? Well, you can't do that right now. They are hoping for real world purchases from these metacoins in the future. I hear people say stuff like, oh, Samsung's coming, Nike's gonna be in here, Walmart's gonna join us, which is awesome. You're in there messing around in the Infiniverse, there's a Walmart, boop, you shoot your thing through the door, you're shopping at Walmart, boop, boop, boop. A day later, all the stuff shows up at your door. Real world purchases inside the Infiniverse. That is coming. That is the future plan. But if we want all these amazing things to happen, we need to get more people involved in here and show that there is a demand for this new way to surf the internet. Everyone I talk to feels it. Everyone I've talked to sees it. They understand the potential of what the Infiniverse has to offer and what the developers' goals are. Everybody sees the potential in this place once they get in and see it. Right now, the population inside the Infiniverse, somewhere between 60 and 100,000. Do you think Samsung, Nike, and Walmart's going to be interested in a demograph of 60 to 100,000 people worldwide? Not yet. They're not going to want to jump in and get involved until this demograph is over 1 million or more. Who knows? But a lot more than it is right now. But I don't say this to discourage you. I just want to be realistic. Realistic as to where the Infiniverse is now and to not lose hope. Those of you that see the future, and I know you do, I see you, and I know you who are out there that are trying to help this thing grow because of the potential. Do you know what this reminds me of? They refer to the internet as the information superhighway. But did you know it used to be a dirt road? People used to think that the internet was just a fad. The .coms were just this thing that was gonna go away. Look at this video from 1994.
For years they've been saying these things would change the world, would mature from adding machines and typewriters to tools of the human spirit. Internet is a growing grid of independent computer networks interlaced. It's evolved from a U.S. military bulletin board in the 1970s to a worldwide computer switchboard. You need a computer and a phone, and suddenly you're part of a new mesh of people, programs, archives, ideas.
Millions of Americans own a personal computer. If you're one of them, you can now glimpse the future with nothing more than a modem, a phone line, and a few dollars a month.
Just what is this main artery of the information superhighway?
Every business, no matter how large, and no matter how small, will be on the internet in the year 2000. Primary way that people will look up information, it will replace the yellow pages as we know it today.
What is internet anyway? Can you explain what internet is? that I don't want more.
These people didn't understand what the internet had to offer and where it was actually going to take them 10, 20, 30 years later. Look at us now. Every single one of us is completely involved in the internet throughout our whole day. I submit to you that the Infiniverse is going to replace the internet and the way that we interact in it as we know it. Then you got the naysayers. I'm not gonna put that VR on my head. I'm not gonna get out of reality. I'm not gonna get that far into it. I'm not a cyborg. Look what Elon Musk has to say.
Your phone is already an extension of you. You're already a cyborg. You don't even, well, most people don't realize they are already a cyborg. That phone is an extension of yourself.
We are already cyborgs. The speed at which we communicate with our digital side is just super slow. 2D, swipey. With the evolution of VR and what the Infiniverse has to offer, all we're doing is speeding up that communication. And right now we are at the beginning of this evolution into this new way to roam and wander the information superhighway. The Infiniverse right now is a dirt road, and we're all trekking it together. We are at the ground floor. We always talk about, I wish I was there at the beginning. Guess what? You are. Now is the time to take full advantage and jump in. That's why I'm talking about MrBeast. Hashtag MrBeast in the comments. Maybe we can get him to see this and at least just throw a shout out to the Infiniverse. And who knows, maybe he'll jump in and join us and make a video himself. The faster it grows, the faster we grow. We need to get all our friends and everybody we know involved. This is only the beginning, and it's only gonna get better. What's that? Breaking news in the Infiniverse? All right, we are gonna cut live to Beam in the Infiniverse.
It's reporting live from the Infiniverse. Hi, Becky Bay. What brings you to the Infiniverse?
Hi. I have properties to check on. Thank you. Buying and selling.
How many properties do you own?
How many properties? 262.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Does your husband know about it?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I don't know. Duh. I'm just kidding. So, where did you buy mostly?
Where did I buy mostly? Downtown, around the downtown area, and where the new Stegosaurus is, and the T-Rex and stuff. That was really cool.
So in the main city and around the dinosaurs.
Yeah. Well, and also on the outs. I have a bunch on the outskirts too. So.
Hi, hello.
Any waterfront?
How you doing?
Hello.
I see your picture. I see your picture everywhere. Do you mind if I take a picture with you?
Yeah, come on in.
You're a celebrity. You're a celebrity. Can I get your autograph? Can you take our picture?
What is the Infiniverse mean to you?
I'm sorry.
What does it mean?
I'm sorry, bro. Hey, that's a superstar right there. That's a star right there.
Right.
I just watched your videos, bro. Today. Subscribe today, you brother.
Wait,
It's too low to the ground. But yeah, superstar, bro.
he's scooting on the ground like that.
That's crazy.
That's my microphone. You
got bigger.
You know.
This is a special report from the one and only Team Pass. Now back to LT in the studio.
More videos on the Infiniverse coming soon. Peace.